me some your words that you used here in this province.
Our language.
Yeah.
Ano, good morning. We say,
Alright.
maayong buntag.
I want crazy words.
Crazy words?
Yeah.
You mean crazy? It's
Yeah,
ano,
yeah.
we call crazy buang.
What? So if I call someone you crazy, I say
Buang ka.
buang ka. That's bad.
Yeah, that's bad.
Makita lang yung restaurant ni.
What?
Lami ang restaurant na pita nila.
Oh my God! Yeah, lami